Could a youthful, fervent pastor turned politician have been the key to a new Zimbabwe? Our tale begins in August of 2023, when Zimbabwe's presidential elections were on the horizon. The incumbent, President Emmerson Mnangagwa, was finding his leadership under scrutiny with whispers of unfulfilled promises, economic downturns, and allegations of corruption in the wind. Enter the challenger, Nelson Chamisa, a 45-year-old ordained pastor and trained lawyer. Leading the Citizens Coalition for Change, or CCC, Chamisa was gaining momentum with his grassroots support and promising poll numbers. His ambitious manifesto held the promise of a new dawn for Zimbabwe economic stability, job creation and governance reform. Chamisa's message of change resonated with many Zimbabweans, particularly the disillusioned youth. His promise to usher in a new era of economic prosperity, to create jobs, stabilize the economy and address poverty, seemed to be the key to turning around the beleaguered nation. But the path towards change was not without its hurdles. Chamisa's CCC faced restrictions on rallies, alleged attacks on party members, and a disputed leadership succession within the opposition party. Despite these obstacles, Chamisa remained steadfast in his mission, and his party even won parliamentary seats in recent by-elections. The day of reckoning arrived on August 23rd. The people of Zimbabwe cast their votes and the world watched with bated breath. Would the ruling ZANU-PF party's long-standing dominance finally come to an end? The answer, unfortunately, was no. Zimbabwe's President Emmerson Mnangagwa won a second term in office with a narrow margin of 52.6% of the vote. The election process was marred by delays, accusations of rigging and voter suppression. The opposition rejected the results and observers criticized the irregularities. To summarize, it seemed like a new dawn was on the horizon for Zimbabwe with Nelson Chamisa's campaign for change. His promise of economic stability, job creation and governance reform resonated with many Zimbabweans, especially the youth. However, the hurdles along the way, coupled with a controversial election process, saw the incumbent President Emmerson Mnangagwa secure a second term. This tale of political struggle and unfulfilled promise leaves us with a lingering question. What does the future hold for Zimbabwe under the continued rule of the ZANU-PF party? Only time will tell.